I've just been here at Kingsmill Hospital to the maternity unit, and I'm quite emotional actually, because it's where my oldest daughter Gracie was born 8 years ago, so it's been really nice to come back here. And I've been here talking to the nurses, the midwives, the doctors about what we need to do in our NHS. Look, Labour's going to put more money into the NHS. I've announced today £40 billion extra for our NHS. I've announced we're going to put more money into mental health services so our young people get the mental health care they need. I've announced more money to bring those waiting lists down. We've got 4.5 million people on the waiting list. More money for our A&Es, which are struggling with thousands upon thousands of elderly people languishing on trolleys. And more money to improve cancer services, so thousands of people don't have to wait beyond 2 months for treatment as they do now. So this election is about the future of our NHS. It's about who's going to recruit the extra nurses and midwives and doctors we need. Who's going to put more money into social care services? Who's going to stop the cuts to public health services? That's the Labour Party. £40 billion extra for our NHS to deliver the quality care patients deserve. Vote Labour on the 12th of December.